So the issue is how to enable print spooler. It says here I can't install a driver. It's showing print spooler is disabled. So this can happen sometimes and disables printing. Really, that's what print spooler is. It's a service that allows you to print, and it basically disables the drivers and your ability to install any drivers, print drivers, to begin with. But so let me just kind of show you. Let me back off a little bit. I was going to show you where print spooler is right away, but if you go to control panel and then go to view devices and printers, and under printers here there will be nothing listed, like right here, or you won't be able to add a printer when you select here. So if you click add printer, you won't be able to do it. It'll say it's disabled. So that's where that issue comes from, and there will be nothing in here because you wouldn't be allowed to install any printers. This is disabled at local level. I believe it can be disabled using group policy that's pushed to your computer over the main. So to enable print services, so again, this is something that allows for printing to work to begin with. You would go under services. You would search for it in services. So you type in services dot MSI, right? Dot MSI, and you will get this service. This is not the same services that it's found in task manager. This is a system services. This is entire system services. There's another services in task manager. So this is task manager, and you go over here. These are services that are only running for the person that's logged in at this time. Now you want to go to entire computer, entire system services, and here it is. And here we're going to look for print spooler, and here it is. In this case, it's enabled, and it's set to automatic. But if it's disabled, you can simply select the start, enable, and change it to start automatically. So you would just make sure that this is where you would enable it. For me, it's grayed out right now. I think the issue is either I forget whether I'm logged in as administrator in this computer right now. I don't think I am, and I think that's what the issue is. Let me see here. It's a good point, actually. Services. I'm going to right-click it or select run as admin. Well, let me see if I remember what my admin password. This is not one of the computers I use all the time, just for this. All right. So now I got services open with administrator credentials, which is a good point that you can't make any of these changes unless you're administrator. And then I'm going to go find print spooler. I'm going to double click it. And now I can make changes to it. You see, I can set it to manual, automatic, automatic delayed start. I think that just means that it's, it starts later. I don't know. So, or you can disable it. If anybody knows exactly what delayed start means, I don't know. To me, it just means it starts later. Okay, whatever. So, but usually this is set to automatic, so you want to set it up to automatic. If it's set to disabled, then it won't work, obviously. So you want to make sure it's set to just regular automatic. Click OK and apply, and then OK. And that's how you do it. So after talking to the customer, you would basically talk to them and let them know that this is what you're doing, and that you found this issue and that you've enabled it, and now you can install printer drivers for the new printers. Now you can install the new printers because the service that controls printing is now enabled.